Hey folks, a little bit late tonight. Been a little delay in the action, but we've got the tower cam views and a forecast I think you're going to like. Sitting on broadcasting, and we're looking toward the west, 73 degrees there, Alexandria, with the evening sun sets, and a beautiful view there under a clear sky. We're seeing Leesville at 66 degrees, and likewise, we're seeing a mostly clear sky over in that direction. Heat potential for Thursday. You notice it's been warmer than usual past few days. In fact, for a pretty long time, especially in the daytime. Now, we had some cool mornings with that good front couple of weeks ago. But yeah, it's overall been warm. Some record high temperatures may fall across the southern plains to the west of us. And the main body of the heat continues to be to the west of us, at least recently. You notice we're kind of on the far eastern edge of that. This is where the center of the high is, and so therefore it is warmer than it is over in this direction, but that heat kind of carries with direction, and that's what's happening. So looking ahead for us, looks like a warmer than normal forecast according to that, at least for the time being. And look at this, folks. Finally, we're able to find some rain. I'll put an exclamation point in there because at my house, once we get to that time when the rain chance begins, it's going to be 5 weeks before I've had rain at my house. And that rain on the 1st of October was not measurable. So I haven't had rain in about 5 weeks at my house. But maybe for some of you, that streak might be ending. All right, satellite and radar showing us energy with the front traveling through the Midwest and Great Lakes into the Northeast. But all that energy, as you see, is traveling to the north of us. That's unfortunate because we missed the rain in that type of pattern. But more clouds, more energy gathering off to the west, and eventually that is the direction that we're going to turn our eyes for our rain chances to develop as another deep trough takes shape. Now, much of it will be shunted to the north of us, but it will get a little closer than its predecessor, and that will bring in more Gulf moisture, which is the raw material. That's what we need for rain here in Cenla. So we're going to have a chance of rain coming into the forecast, as we've said. Futurecast for Thursday morning. Looks like another fog problem, especially across the southwestern parishes there, but that will lift by mid-morning like it usually does. And then we're mostly sunny. No problems for your PM commute home. No rain expected. And once again, we'll repeat the fog, probably more widespread Friday morning as you go head to work and school. So be careful. If areas of fog are dense, and that is possible both mornings, say a mile or less, you need to keep your headlights on low beam and just be extra careful and slow down. All right, Futurecast taking us into Friday evening fever. We've got no issues there. Been warmer than normal during the games, but at least the dry air has been helpful in cooling it off to reasonable levels by game time, instead of this heat and humidity that lingers all through the game. So your 7-day forecast, AM fog, question mark means fewer folks I think will be affected by that. By Friday morning, I think it's going to be more general and widespread. We turn mostly sunny both the days, mostly sunny on Saturday. No rain expected. You see temperatures, high temperatures, 87, 88 degrees. There could be a couple of 90s across the area. We had 90 near Pitkin for today. Notice the minimum temperatures keep rising, 52, 58, 57, and that is with a little bit more moisture in the air. And I am bringing in a front on Sunday. Right now, I'm kind of going against a couple of models. So a couple of models say we may have a little bit of a rain chance that day, and I continue to be watching that. Just itching, wanting to put in a 10%, but I haven't so far. Tune in tomorrow. We'll see what happens with that. 58 and 85 on Sunday. So the front makes a little bit of a difference. We're down back to the middle 50s Monday morning, but that's still above the average. We should be seeing 50 to 52 on the minimum temperatures, and the maximum temperatures we should be seeing about 75 to 77, I believe, during this time frame. So you can see it is well above normal. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to have trouble getting back below 60 degrees because the additional moisture is going to be the best moisture we've had in a little while there. And by Wednesday, explicitly, I have it on the map, folks, hit and miss rain. This is kind of the low end of scattered, and there's probably going to be kind of a west to east distinction with that. Right now, we're not looking for heavy rain, but right now, we will take all we can get. So here's the temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center from October 31st through November 6th. So above normal will continue here, below normal out west. And then the rainfall, more important, more interest to most folks there. We will have, look at this large swath of above normal rain probabilities there across the plains just to the west of us. We are in the area, this is kind of a lean above. So the percentages or the chance of above normal rainfall is less, and we're less confident. Think of that as a confidence factor. So we're less confident here than the area would be over here as far as the pattern is concerned, but at least we're close to that area, and at least we have some rain chances. And I do think looking ahead into Halloween and the day after, November 1st, so there may be 3 straight days, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, that we have a chance of rain here in Sinai. That's going to be scattered, and it doesn't look heavy or anything like that. But as they say, at least there's a chance. All right, Nick Makers will be back with you in the morning, and I'll see you again hopefully earlier tomorrow, maybe about 5:30. Take care, and